How to fix package installer keeps stopping problem on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll guide you through on how we can fix the issue that I'm showing on screen right now. So let's go on with the process on how we can fix it, but before that don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're having the issue of this package installer keeps stopping, you're just gonna head over to the main settings of your device, and after that you're gonna look for the option called apps here. Just scroll down until you're able to find this option called apps. After going to the app section, you're gonna go and look for the apps here. Just wait for it to load first, and after that we'll go on with the process on how we can fix it. So here you are able to find these apps here. After going to this app section, you're just gonna go up to the Samsung app settings, and here you're gonna search it package app installer. So you're just gonna search in for that, and if that is available on your device, you're just gonna go on with the process of clearing the data of that particular app. So when I'm going on this app, for example, let's just assume that is a package installer. You're gonna look up for the option called storage here, and just go on and clear the data of that particular app called package installer. After that, that should probably fix your issue, and once also try restarting your device. So that should probably fix your issue. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.